Inside the MediaLight box, you'll receive the strip itself on a reel, infrared remote control if you've purchased the Flex, USB power connector, and a few adhesive cable clips to help keep everything nice and tidy. For US customers, you'll also receive a power adapter in the box. For simplicity of installation and operation, I'd recommend that you power from the television using a spare USB port, but the MediaLight can actually easily be powered from any compatible USB source. MediaLight's international partners offer adapters relevant to their markets as an optional accessory too. Before you do anything else, you'll want to decide how you will set up your MediaLight. Will it be just an upside down U shape covering the top and both sides? Or all around the TV? You'll most likely have decided this already and ordered the appropriate length MediaLight to suit. Please note that you do not need an even strip the whole way around your display to get the benefits of bias lighting, but many users prefer the pleasant, even aesthetic of it wrapping around the whole display. Start by locating the USB port that you will use to power the light, or if you are powering from an AC adapter, work out which side of the display suits you best so that you're not having to run long cable extensions. Then simply peel a section of the red backing tape from the MediaLight strip, starting at the power end and working your way across your chosen configuration, placing the strip around 2 inches in from the edge of the television. When you get to a corner, just fold the strip as shown here and continue along. If your strip is too long for your chosen installation, you can simply cut it between the contacts as shown here. With the strip now secured safely to your display with genuine 3M adhesive, you can finish by connecting the strip to its power source, connecting the inline remote receiver if you wish, and then tidying up the cables. Once powered on, adjust the brightness of your new bias lighting so it's between 10 and 15% as bright as the screen when it's displaying a bright image. And there you have it. For most display brands, once you turn on the MediaLight, it will be able to switch on and off automatically with your TV, so you'll never have to touch it again. Some TVs don't automatically turn the lights off. However, you can use your universal remote or smart hub to turn off your lights through the MediaLight Flex's integrated infrared receiver.